Today in this video, we will show you how to collect subscribers' email address on WhatsApp Chatbot and send it to email autoresponders like Sendwo, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Mautic. Let's see how to do that. First, we need to add the autoresponder. From the dashboard, go to WhatsApp Bot Manager. Choose the bot for which you want to collect the email if you have multiple bots. Then, go to the configuration. Click on the New button in the autoresponder to add a new autoresponder. The autoresponder profile page will open in a new tab. From the autoresponder profile page, click on the New button. On the right side, you can see options to choose from. Here, we will add MailChimp, so we are selecting the MailChimp option. Now, we need to provide a profile name to identify it later. Then, we need the API key from MailChimp. Let's go to the MailChimp account. From the dashboard, go to the profile. From the extra, click on API keys. Then, from your API keys, click on the Create a Key button. Simply provide a name for the API key and hit the Generate Key button. It will generate the API key. Copy this key and paste it into the BotSailor's API key field. Give a name to the API profile. Click on the Save button. Let's go back to the configuration and refresh the page. Then, click on the Form field to select the list to which we want to send the collected emails. Finally, save the configuration. Now, go to the bot reply and click on the Create button. We will create a user input flow bot to collect email address from subscribers. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow and enter trigger keywords. Give a name to the bot flow and save it. You can add the user input flow anywhere in the bot. We are adding the user input flow at the beginning of the chatbot flow. Drag a connector from the Compose Next message and leave the cursor. Select User Input Flow. Double-click on it and select Add a new flow. Give a name to the flow. A question will be added automatically. Let's configure the question. Choose the question type as free keyboard input. Add the question to ask the user's email address. Then select the reply type. We must select the reply type as email, and this is really important. If we don't select the correct type, the email won't be saved to the email autoresponder. You can also save this response in the BotSailor's custom or system field. Select the field accordingly. Then save it. To complete the user input flow, let's add a final reply. Save the bot. Let's test this. Now, let's go to the MailChimp contacts list. Wow, the email has been added to the list. This is how we can collect subscribers' email addresses from WhatsApp Chatbot and send them to the email list.